As you know, I'm a spinal surgeon. Nobody wants spine surgery. So can you reverse your neck pain and your back pain with exercise? And the answer is probably yes. The number one thing that's been shown to reduce back pain and neck pain is a good exercise therapy program. And it's not dramatic. I don't need to turn you into Arnold Schwarzenegger or anything like that. I just need to do simple exercises and stretches on a routine basis to help reduce and prevent neck pain and back pain. And if you're on board with that, you won't need me to fix you, hopefully. Because, like I said earlier, nobody wants surgery, including me. And I've had 4 surgeries, and I do all the exercises. So it doesn't mean you won't have to have surgery, but odds are it'll help you prevent it and keep it under control. And if you do have surgery, like I did, you're going to ache now and then. And the one thing that I've found that reduces my achy back or neck after all the surgeries I've had is a good exercise program. So yes, exercise helps a lot with spine pain, neck, or low back.